Thomas, as we've talked about on the podcast for a long time, and now are bringing into this course, the owner's role is sort of managing that tension or balancing the scale, if you will, of the practice of law with the running of your business. And we're trying to say there's so much involved in being a practicing lawyer. We're trying to help you also understand that you really need to shift your mindset to being a business owner and learn how that interaction and those two different roles that you're going to play in running your firm are going to be so important to your long-term success.
Yeah, and I think good attorneys really do struggle with office management. They're probably really good in the courtroom, really good at the client consultations, but office management is not necessarily something that is taught in law school. I was fortunate enough to have a law office management class my 3L year, and that kind of gave me the confidence to think I can open up my own law office and I can do this. But for a lot of attorneys, they didn't really have that kind of opportunity in law school. I think law schools are doing better about that type of thing nowadays, but there are still a lot of attorneys that don't have any kind of law office management experience. And so uh, you might be trying to figure out how to be an attorney while at the same time trying to figure out how to run a business. And that can add stress. And that's really why we have the Lifetime Legacy Lawyers group here so that we can help people know exactly how to manage their office.
Yeah, and I think that's such a valid point because there's so much resource available in today's world to new lawyers starting their firm. And so we're trying to take and apply some systems related thinking to the starting and running and ultimate success of your firm and drawing on our years of experience in running small and solo law firms and understanding the struggles that we had to go through and making sure that we can help you avoid some of those things by getting these foundational principles in place, ready to go prior to really launching out. Or, as we mentioned, maybe you've already done this for a while and you just need some more structure. You need some more supports to help you rise or fall to the level of your system. And we're hopeful that this course will be a great stair step for you in terms of taking that next step in your practice, reducing your stress level, increasing your capacity to serve clients, and really get a good understanding of, hey, these core foundational things are really going to drive me into the future and help me build the practice that I've always dreamed of.